In this video of Microsoft Excel, we will learn about split windows. We will learn how to compare two columns. We will also learn how to compare two rows. Before starting to the video, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, kindly subscribe it and click the bell icon so you never miss any upcoming video from our channel. Let's start the tutorial. First of all, we will see how to compare two columns. Split windows have a very useful role in comparing columns and rows. For example, I want to compare column A with column M. So it's very difficult to check the data by scrolling again and again. So there is a shortcut method to do this, which is split windows. Let's suppose I want to compare a cell column A with column M. I will click on the column B and I will go to view tab and I will click split. As I click split, if you observe carefully, there are now two scroll bars. The one scroll bar is here and the other scroll bar is here. There are now two scroll bars, so you can compare your data easily. Now if you don't want to split the windows, just click split again and your data will be shown exactly to you. Now how to compare two rows? The method to compare two rows is as the same as we did in compare two columns. For example, I just want to compare column 5 to column 14. I will just click my cursor. I will just click on the cell of 6 and I will go to view tab and click split. So there, if you observe carefully, there are now two scroll bars again, one on the above and one on the downside. So I want to compare row 5th to row 14. So now I can do it easily. If you want to remove the split, just click the split button again and split will be removed. If you like this video, please comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.